Hello friends, warm welcome to all of you to my channel. But before we get into the video, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell notification icon to get all amazing technology updates on a regular basis. Let's get straight into the video now.
Apple has brought an exciting augmented reality headset, Apple Vision Pro, in a major hardware launch in almost a decade. Apple Chief Executive Tim Cook said the unveiled headset seamlessly mixes the real world with the virtual world. With Vision Pro, you have an unlimited canvas size that transforms your experience with your loved apps. Arrange apps anywhere and fit them to the perfect size, bringing your dream workstation to life. Working with Safari web browser, creating notes, chatting, all can be seamlessly done together and toggled between them. Vision Pro can transform any room into your own personal theater. Watch movies, shows, and games and feel like you are a part of the action with spatial audio. With more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, you can cheer up with breathtaking moments. Vision Pro is Apple's first 3D camera, and you can capture vivid spatial photos and spatial videos in 3D. Your photo or video libraries will look stunning at an unbelievable scale. Panoramas will embrace you from all the sides around you as if you are standing right where you took them. Vision Pro makes it easy to collaborate and connect wherever you are. FaceTime video tiles are life-size, and as new people join, the call simply expands in your room. The headset will have a 2-hour battery life, costing $3,499, which is significantly higher than virtual reality headsets currently available in the market, and will be launched early next year in the US. Hartley Charlton, senior editor of Mac Rumors, was in doubt how much the headset will be in demand in the public. While addressing audience, Mr. Cook said the headset will allow users to see, hear, and interact with digital content just like it's in your physical space. It needs to be controlled by using your hands, eyes, and voice together, such as tapping your fingers together to select, and flicking them to scroll. The announcement comes a week after Meta and Lenovo announced new versions of their pre-existing virtual reality headsets that do not superimpose objects onto a view of the real world. Apple's last major hardware release was for the Apple Watch device in 2015.
Please like and share the video if you love this update, and subscribe my channel if you have not done already. Also, do not forget to let me know your feedback in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching, and till we meet again, bye bye from your host Tapajyoti.